A private Instagram account is supposed to give you more control over who sees your content, but sometimes the feature doesn't behave as expected. You might notice follower requests not working properly, privacy settings not saving, or your account appearing differently than intended. So let's go to see how to fix the problem of private account on Instagram. The first thing you have to do is to go to Instagram. In this page, you will go to the sign of profile, so we'll tap on profile. You will move to this sign here on above. You will find this page of account privacy, so we'll tap here. And as you see, we'll find public account, so we'll tap here to enable and to switch your public account to private account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.